What is moratorium? A moratorium is a temporary suspension or delay of a particular activity, process, or legal obligation. It is often used in various contexts to provide a period of relief, reconsideration, or adjustment. Here are a few common contexts in which the term moratorium is used. Part 1. Financial moratorium. A temporary suspension of financial obligations, such as loan payments, rent, or mortgage payments. This is often implemented during times of economic hardship, natural disasters, or other emergencies. Part 2. Environmental moratorium. A temporary halt on certain activities or developments that may have environmental impacts. For example, a government might impose a moratorium on logging in a particular area to allow for environmental assessment. Part 3. Legal moratorium. A temporary suspension of legal actions or proceedings. For instance, a government might declare a moratorium on certain types of evictions during a crisis. Part 4. Scientific moratorium. A temporary halt on certain types of scientific research or experiments, often to allow for further evaluation of potential risks or ethical consideration. Part 5. Military moratorium. A temporary cessation of military activities, often to allow for negotiations or to facilitate humanitarian efforts. Part 6. Medical moratorium. A temporary prohibition on specific medical procedures, research, or activities. For example, a medical organization might impose a moratorium on a particular type of experimental treatment pending further study. Part 7. Public moratorium. A suspension of certain public activities or services. For example, a city might declare a moratorium on public events during a public health crisis. It's important to note that a moratorium is a temporary measure, and it is typically put in place with a specific end date or condition in mind. It provides a breathing space to evaluate, adjust, or address a particular situation before resuming normal activities or obligation.